currently, if you look at the furniture trends globally, it's all shifting from crisper, sharper corners to softer lines. So one of the main reasons to collaborate with Coalesce for the retail market was to bring in that sort of a mix of a product for our walk-in customer. That's one reason. And then another thing, of course, is to bring the two design brains together.
So one of the reasons why we collaborated was also to come up with designs that we also want to use in our projects. And one of the reasons why we collaborated with Interwood was because they have a facility which facilitates that.
There are a lot of forms in play, like the curve is there and the flutes are there, and the rattan is there. So the form of everything is, of course, it's furniture, so it naturally just always follows a function.
The idea was to bring in global design trends in the local market, because I feel that now with social media and people having exposure to so many things, their design is also evolving, and that is why I think it was very important for us to look into that.
So working with Coalesce was very interesting for us, because it gives you a sort of a third person's perspective onto your product, and it gives a new insight and brings in a fresh element to the design, and it is something completely different from what Interwood's been doing.
And we had a lot of back and forth, but the process was very interesting because we were coming up with cost-effective solutions, because that was the main idea, that our consumer ends up paying less for a good design and a good quality.
Our in-store experience is going to be something completely different from what the customer has seen, not just in terms of the space, but also in terms of the furniture that will be available to them. And like I said, we've amalgamated a lot of different forms and a lot of different trends in this line, and it's all very coherent.
It's really exciting that these collaborations are taking place, and I feel that this is just the beginning. There will be more coming in, and I think it's a good precedence that is being set, where professionals from different fields are coming together with the same goal and idea. And I think that it will be a start of many more exciting things.
It's really a breath of fresh air. I've thoroughly enjoyed working on these palettes, on these lines, and I think it's something completely different and new, and it should really stand out on the showroom floors, and I'm really excited about how it comes out.